Introducing Abstra Workflows, a Python-based workflow engine to automate business processes without the overhead. Create custom operations for your team with agility while leveraging all of Python's power. In our workflow editor, it's simple to design, connect and edit scripts and flows. Use AI to supercharge your work. Our smart features empower junior coders to work like engineers and devs to run like never before. Simplify coding and debugging and get operation insights. When your workflow is ready, it's easy to deploy to the cloud in one click. In our cloud console, you can enjoy features such as a built-in database, file system, access control, and more. Since not everything can run without a human touch, you can enjoy easy-to-use UIs whenever your team's input is needed, such as for a review or an approval. Keep everyone in the loop. Management is also made easy. Keep up with ongoing processes with custom views, which give full visibility into your operations. Enjoy detailed logs, versioning, and access control. Start building secure process automation today at abstra.io.